Good day. Today's little project is this cute little baby owl on a keyring. He or she, it is extremely cute with those big eyes. So for this project you will of course need some scrap yarn. Any scrap yarn that you have lying around is good to go. And some black for its nose or even brown, that is your choice. Crochet hook of the appropriate size. A darning needle. If you don't have one, a smaller crochet hook. A pair of scissors. A key ring on a chain or without a chain is even fine. And a pair of pliers, which I'm using these because I cannot find my other ones. So let's make this. Let's move everything else that we don't need out of the way. So for the body, we'll be starting in the middle. We're going to make a magic ring or a magic circle, whichever one you call it. And you're going to chain 3. Chain 3 equals 1 double crochet. Into the same ring you're going to work 11 double crochets. Pull your ring to tighten the tail. You're going to slip stitch into the 3rd chain from your hook. And work your tails in. With your second color, make a slip stitch, a slip knot. You can insert this knot in any stitch, pull up a loop. In the next stitch, you're going to make 1 single crochet, chain 2 and 1 double crochet into that same stitch. In the next stitch you're going to make 1 double crochet and a half a double crochet. In the next stitch you're going to work 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet and a chain 3 picot. In the next stitch you will make 3 double crochets. In your next stitch, 1 double crochet, chain 3 and turn it into a picot, chain 2, 1 single crochet in the same stitch. In your next stitch, 1/2 a double crochet, followed by a double crochet in the same stitch. Let me do that stitch properly. In the following stitch, 1 double crochet, chain 2, and a single crochet. Slip stitch in the next stitch. Cut your yarn. Work your tail away. That's the body of your owl. I'm going to quickly make the nose. So you've got 3 double crochets in the middle here and what looks like 2 ears. In the middle, insert your hook, your darning needle into the middle of the 3rd stitch. Then you're going to either go to the left or right. I'm going right, quarter way up that stitch. Don't pull too tight. And through the back part, I'm coming through on the left hand side. Also about quarter way up, pulling through, going back into that center. I think I need to do a bit of pulling now, just to line everything up. That's my nose. I'm making a knot at the back. I'm going to cut this flush to the surface and use some glue to glue it. I'm using this glue. It can be bought in any retail shop, in Pick and Pay, Checkers, ShopRite. It's under 40 Rand, and the best thing about it is that it dries clear. So it's perfect for anything that's fabric and wool. It works great on it. So I'll be putting a dab of that up there. Before I finish this, I want to make a pair of feet. So the feet go here at the bottom, and we're just going to turn it like that. I'm going to make a slip knot. I'm going to insert this into the very next stitch, and I'm going to make 1 single crochet. Into this same stitch, I'm going to make 2 more single crochets. Now, pull up your loop a bit and turn your work. I want to make a slip stitch right here. So let me bring it closer to the camera. Right into the stitch here. And you'll see why. So I'm going to go back in, put my hook, and I'm going to make a slip stitch. I'm going to grab this here, slip stitch into there. Okay, let me pull my hook out so that you can see. I've made a slip stitch to the back. I'm going to put my hook back in and chain 1. Now I'm coming back to work in, I'm going to skip that middle stitch and I'm going to work in the following stitch. And I'm going to make 3 single crochets in that stitch. put it down, cut my yarn. Now I'm going to work this tail away. Well, all the tails. I'm going to take through the stitch that's here and through the 2 single crochets, and that's how I'm going to hide it. I'm going to go back to the same 1 stitch over and do the same thing. Again, I'm going to use a tad bit of glue just there where I know this joining is. I'm going to do the exact same thing on the opposite side. I'm going to go into the green, come out a little, and then go into the brown, go 1 stitch back. Now because this tail is so short, I've already gone into the stitch, so I'm just gonna thread this needle and pull it out, cut flush or against the work, grab my googly eyes and my keychain, open my jump ring, which I know supposed to open them with 2 sets of pliers. I cannot find my other pliers. Either attach to the ear or to the center. That is your choice. I'm going for center. I'm attaching that. Can you still see? Yes. I'm going to put some glue. You can also just stitch some eyes on, should you wish to, or even a pair of buttons would work great, or crocheting tiny little circles. The choice is yours. So I'm just sticking my googly little eyes there. Let me know what you think in the comments. Is this not the cutest thing you've ever seen? Well, one of the things, but it's extremely cute. So I hope you enjoy this project. Like, comment, subscribe. If you try this, please tag me in your vid. And have an awesome day. Happy crocheting. This is the Queen Phoenix, out.